Hey, I'm Julia, and today, have you ever wondered on how to turn on your computer? Well, don't worry because this video is going to be step by step on how to turn on your computer, so then once you get it on, you can start using it. Well, this is my computer, and just let you know that I haven't been able to turn it on in years. Well, actually, just kidding about that. I turned it on yesterday, but let me tell you how to do it, okay? You can't press too little on the power button. If you press too little, it may not know you're pressing the power button. You can't press too hard, like this is too light. You can't press too hard, because if you press too hard, you may end up breaking your button, and you don't want your button to be broken. If you're Jessica, you understand this. Your brother, Zachary, broke the monitor button on the e-machine because he pressed it too hard. That's an example. That's why you never press it too hard. You might end up breaking your button. It doesn't matter what kind of button it is, really, but it's like a monitor power button that's like this big. But just to let you know, this is my computer, okay? And I'm going to show you how to turn it on. But I can see myself now. Well, you can't press it too little, because if you press it too little, it won't turn on. Can't press it too hard. You might end up breaking your button, and you press just right. Well, this video will show you how to turn it on. So, as you can see, I have my little bling case I made for my phone, just to show you, except that one fell off. But just to show you, it's not really about this category, but okay. Now this is my computer, and you can't press it too little, because here's why. I'm not going to press it too hard in this video, probably, because I don't want to break my button. You can see there's a power light. But let's unplug the power light, and then when I press the button, you'll see it doesn't turn on. You can see that I pressed too little. And also, you can't push it in weird places because it may not come on. But you press it just right. But in this case, my button on my computer is about to break. I am pressing it just right, but there is some other ways to get it on without pressing normally. Let me give you some examples. You could press in a weird place. It might trigger the computer into coming on, like so. Or you can use 2 fingers, press the button. Sometimes you want to turn off your computer and it doesn't turn off. Have you ever had that issue to where, look, it's not going off? Since I can't see the button light, we're going to have to look at this one. And it came off because I used 2 hands. Just pressing it normally doesn't work for me. You either press it in a weird place or together. Like so. That gets it on for me. That's how I get my computer on, and I can just turn on my TV, and my computer screen should show up on my TV. You can see that. Now start Windows normally, it'll start up normally. Now sometimes you have this issue because maybe you pressed it hard in the past, because you got aggravated with your computer, or maybe it just stopped working right. Hold on, let me just set you down. Okay, hold on. Okay, it started up, I got the power plugged into it, and you can see that this computer is up and running. I'm just gonna type my password. And I do have a problem with my mouse, if anyone can help. You know that funny app, oh, it's not letting me log in. Remember that funny app, Trickmaker? Well, my friend did Trickmaker to me, which, Jessica, it was your brother Zachary. And is what happened is I told Zachary in the past a long time ago, do not press this option. I'm not sure what this is going to do. I don't want to mess my computer up. He goes on and presses that option, and the option was to swap the mouse buttons. Like, this button was that button, and that button was that button. Okay? And he swapped it back. And then one day he swapped it back to the old look. He shut down my computer with Trickmaker. I turned it on. It was still swapped. He was gone, so I went on Trickmaker and swapped it back. Everything was fine. I turned it off that night, turned it on, and I went on my computer, and there's the right button, and I want to open up, let's see, let's open up my folder, one of my folders. I clicked normally, and it did that. Okay, so my mouse buttons are swapped every time I turn on my computer, and I have to go into Trickmaker and fix it. You can see that this button as the normal button doesn't do anything. If I press the other, it zooms in, and I can click. Like, I'm going to get on one of them, and you're going to watch. I'm going to use this button, and it's going to right-click on it. You can see, but if I click the other way around, if I can get rid of that, then, whoops, okay, but then if I click the other way around, it'll open it up, but I don't have this program on my computer anymore, so that's why it doesn't work. But I have to press this button to use it. If I press the other, it likes to right click, but just what's really weird is that if I open up my laptop, let me get it open, and I use the mouse on the laptop, and I try to click normally on something, it clicks perfect. It's just the mouse. And what's also really weird is that on my mouse, if I, like, of course, they're swapped, so I'm clicking it the opposite way. But if I go to my control panel, or no, it's not under control panel on Windows 7. Okay, if I go to personalize on here, then I go to change mouse pointers, which I'm not going to change my mouse pointer, but it's okay. Okay, come on, change mouse pointers. It doesn't seem to be working at the moment. There we go. It says I'm right-handed and this mouse is on left-handed. If I swap the mouses, on here to other pointing devices, it's right-handed, and it's not. Once again, it is not right-handed. Well, thanks for watching. I gotta go. So please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know what's going on with the mouse. I have to actually go on Trickmaker and switch it back, and both mouses are fine. But thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Bye-bye.